Welcome back to TrendyAngel Kitchen. I am Sri Krishnaraj. Today I would like to share very soft and spongy butter cake. Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get notifications. If you already subscribed to my channel, then please like, share and comment to the recipe.
The butter cake is really very spongy and fluffy. Let's see how to prepare simple and easy butter cake without oven. Take a bowl, place a strainer, add 1 cup of maida, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, then sieve all the dry ingredients. Take a mixing bowl, add quarter cup of unsalted butter. Beat it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add half cup of powdered sugar. Give a good mix about 5 minutes. The butter and powdered sugar are mixed well. Add some sieved ingredients. Combine it about 2 minutes. Add half cup of curd or yogurt, 2 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend all the ingredients. Now add some sieved ingredients. Give a good mix. Now add remaining sieved mix. Give a good stir for about 2 minutes. Combine all together. The batter should be thick consistency. Take a cake mold. Place the butter paper. Grease with oil or ghee. Pour the cake batter. Spread it gently or tap it twice. Place a kadai and turn on the flame. Preheat for 8 to 10 minutes by closing the lid. Place a cake mold. Close the lid and bake for 40 minutes in medium-low flame. Take a toothpick or any small stick, insert it and remove. If it is sticky, bake 5 minutes more. Otherwise, turn off the flame and leave for 10 minutes to cool down. Keep a plate, flip and remove the cake from mold and butter paper. Simple and soft, fluffy butter cake is ready.
Do you try simple and spongy butter cake in your home and comment below. Thank you guys for watching TrendyAngel Kitchen videos and stay connected to next interesting recipe.